Well, I'm on my way to an interview. I need this job, I'm overdue. My luck's gotta change, I need to pay the rent. Well, I brushed my teeth and combed my hair, found out the job's no longer there, and here I was with my money already spent. Well, I'm a day late and $1 short. Before too long I'll end up in court. A day late and $1 short. Here I was on my way, I was trying to set things right. Then I found out to my dismay, I ain't gonna eat tonight. I was on my way to this interview. I needed this job, I'm overdue, but I'm a day late and $1 short. If it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck at all. I'm gonna end up on the road with my clothes in the garbage bag. Maybe I'll rob me a liquor store, or I'll end up on a slab. I needed this job just to pay the rent. My luck's all bad, there's nothing heaven sent, and I'm a day late and $1 short. My luck's gotta change, I need to pay the rent. My luck's run dry, I don't have one red cent. I'm a day late and $1 short. Here I was on my way, I was trying to set things right. Then I found out to my dismay, I ain't gonna eat tonight. I was on my way to this interview. I needed this job, I'm overdue, but I'm a day late and $1 short. That's right.
Sustainability, in a broad sense, is the capacity to endure.
Lanny Nelson and Kelly King, Woody Willie and Emily, they're all about sustainability in the biodiesel family. Jojo, Donnell, and Tom Berry, Doug Whitehead, and Lanny Faraci are working hard in Washington, D.C. for the biodiesel family. Sometimes we act like the Hatfields and McCoys. Sometimes we party like we're drunk cowboys. But you can tell your mama and your papa too, biodiesel is for me and it's for you.
Harmony, harmony.
Trees, birds, rocks, rivers, animals. With Daryl Hannah and Ned Bagley, the Prince of Wales and the U.S. Navy, they demonstrate reliability for the biodiesel family.
Harmony.
Josh DeKell made a famous movie, The Astronaut from I Dream of Jeannie.
Breathe the same air.
Jason Hall and Russell Gerke, they're in the biodiesel